Okay, hello everyone. This is part 2 of how to use the big blue button on Moodle and how to do a live session. Now I will assume that you saw part 1, which is how to create one. Okay, now for example, this class here, as you can see, it's already there. I created, okay? Now go very fast. Let's go very fast and create a new one. You will go on the right hand side to turn editing on, and you will wait for the big blue button here, add an activity. You click on it, you will find it here again. I just go very fast because I know that I assume already most of you did it, but I just want to. So for example here, online session, and already my name is there. I'm the moderator and these are the viewers, and I can save and display. And next day, every single day, every single time when I come, I will find this one here. Now make sure you pick your own class if you have core or extended, or 8A or sorry 9A or 9C, and then I will join the session. Now next day I don't need to create a new one. Next day I will just go directly to this button and just join, and the students will have it. I created for myself and the students. You will click on microphone and you will allow it and the thumbs up, and this will be the this will
You are currently the only person in
okay.
this conference.
So yeah, so far I'm the only one in this conference. Fine. Now this is the interface for the big blue button, and this is how you will use it. Now, because this is a demonstration, first of all, if you want to record, the minute you will join, if you want to record, you will go to start recording in here. Okay? But in this case, I will not press it because it's like a tutorial. Now, the first thing you need to learn when you open this is the slides. Now, this is slide 1. Now, if you click here, you will find slide 2, 3, 4 until 6. Now, what are they? This is very nice, actually. It's cool. When you click on slide 2 or any other slide, you will have like a whiteboard. So it's just like you are on like in class. And then you have the tools on the right hand side. Now, how many you have so far? You have, let's say 5 boards. In like slide 1 is only to show you the features, but you can check this slide, write anything you want, and then go to the next one, 3, and next one, 3. You can erase it, you can undo whatever you did wrong, and you will use it. Example, so I will start with the whiteboard and how to use it. I have this tool here on the right hand side. It's like a hand, and I have all these shapes if you want to use them for any reason, but the most important thing is the text and the pencil. Now the pencil, you can draw whatever you want, write whatever you want. You can undo the last thing you did. Okay, see, you can undo, or you can just clear everything and start from the beginning. Now you can control the size of the brush from here. You can control the color of the brush from here. Okay, and of course if you want to write something as a text, you will draw a rectangle like that, and then you will what you will write, you can like highlight and change the color, same as Microsoft Word. So you can type anything you want, anything. As usual, I always say anything, and then after you finish, maybe you need to keep it, save it, no problem. So you can move to the next slide, and when you go back, it's still there. Move to the next one, write anything you want, draw anything you want. Okay, undo or clear, nothing will happen to the previous slide, still there. So you can use these slides as whiteboards, same as you like you are in the school drawing or writing or whatever you want to do, and it will not affect the previous or the next, it will stay there. Okay, so maybe they can screenshot it. You can use that, like, look, full screen. You can return it back. You can make it wide. If you have a PDF file, you can zoom in and zoom out. The students have the same options exactly. You can minimize it for any reason and then maximize it, restore from here. Okay, so you have full control. Now the first one is to use the hand only to like a pointer. The second one is a pencil to draw, and these shapes for anything you need, and to text here. Now after you finish, you can pick the size and the colors, and then this is the undo, and this is the clear, like clear everything. Now this one is interesting, this one. Now here I'm the only one can write on this board. If I press this, I will make the users as well, which are the students. I will make the students to, it's been 5 minutes already. Okay, see my name there, see my name next to the pencil. Yeah, so every single student, whoever will use a pencil, you will find his name next to his pencil with a different color. Okay, they will start with different color, then they can change it actually. So I'm just like giving them this tool to use it while I'm using it. So I think this is cool. So if I share it, not only me can draw on the whiteboard, I can make the students write on the whiteboard. So same as if I'm letting one of the students to stand up on the board and solve or do anything or write anything on the board. So they have this ability. You are not the only one write on the whiteboard. They can, if you want, to share it from here. So if I will turn the multi-user whiteboard off, so here now I'm the only one will write. If I turn it on, they can write on the whiteboard or on the document, PowerPoint presentation, anything you will put in front of them, they will be able to write on it and use the tools as if you are using it. Exactly the same. Okay, so these are the whiteboards. As I said, when I clear one of them, okay, it will not affect the others. And this is how to use the tools for the whiteboard. Now, what else we have here? I have, for example, okay, so what else you can do? Now, from my experience, I face some technical difficulties, like the students, for example, can hear me, but I cannot hear them. So they have a problem with their mic. So as a teacher, okay, I'm an English teacher, math teacher, I don't know much about IT, but now this is one of the ways you can help them. If they can hear you, but you cannot hear them, so something wrong with, like, you can hear one of them, but the other one you cannot. So it's not my problem as a teacher. It's not in my computer, it's in their computer. So you will ask him to go to their setting. Sir, I don't know where to go, to the control panel or whatever. No problem. Now, see this feature here? I'm sharing my screen. So when I press it, I will share my screen. They will ask me, there is application window, something open already, or Chrome tab. I don't want to. No, I want to share my desktop. Now it will take like seconds. Then I'm connecting now my personal computer screen for them. Now you can see, look, I will minimize. Now this is my desktop. These are my icons. This is my start menu. Okay. Now this is my screen. So you can guide them to go and fix their mic. For example, see on the left hand side you have a control panel. If they are not there, they can press here, setting, and then they can go to the control panel. Or you can go to the control panel and help them. Now, after you finish, double click on the control panel, you will go to sound. After you go to sound, you click on it, you will have all the sounds features that you have. Now, most likely you have the speakers here and the headset. If they are using a separate mic and they can hear you from the speakers of the computer, that's an issue. I'm fixing the mic, then you will find the microphone here. If they have a headset, you will find it like this. So what you will ask them to do, right click and enabled. Of course it's enabled already, that's why I have disabled here, but it's supposed to look like this, enabled. This mic, when I right click on it, it's supposed to look like this if their mic is not working. Try this with most of them it works after I show them how. Of course you will not find Sony TV because I'm connecting my computer to a Sony TV now, but you cannot find maybe in NVIDIA, you cannot find anything from these, but mainly you will find the speakers and the headset or the mic if they have a mic. And of course when they click on it and click properties, they can control the level, they can mute. Maybe they are muting their mic but they didn't notice. And here you can make them loud, okay? And here you can test it. Actually, you can test the mic. See? Now here the levels, balance, you can control the balance in the headset, the earphone and the microphone. Here you can mute it. Maybe they press this, so that's why they cannot, like now, see? That's why they cannot use the computer. I just mute it and my voice gone, right? So this is how, if you want to help a student that he can hear you, but he cannot speak, or you cannot hear him. Anyway, so this is one of the ways you can share your screen. Now, why else I will share my screen? Okay, of course I can use the features adding PowerPoint presentation inside the BigBlueButton, but outside now, I'm sharing my desktop. Maybe it's easier for me to just open my PDF file on Adobe Acrobat Reader, right? So I'll just go to my folder here. I'll go to my computer, my folder here, let's say documents, and here, and then, you know, like double click on one of my PDF files and just open it, right? And control it, and they can see whatever you're seeing now. They can see, I can highlight, okay? You can explain it to them. Here, this is the past paper, for example. This is one of the questions. I can zoom in, zoom out. I'm using Adobe Acrobat Reader, and they can see what I'm doing. So if I need to write something or share something, this is a PDF file. I'm using my desktop, and they can see it. So I will use the software to open them live on my desktop, and I can do whatever I want. This is one of the examples, PowerPoint presentation. I can play it, and they will be able to see it. Okay, see, slide after slide from the desktop, not from the software itself. That's one of the things why I can just share my screen with them. One of the examples why I can share my screen with them is to open whatever I want to open, and they can see it, right? Okay, now I want to stop sharing, and I will go back here. Now this is the way I will share my screen to help them if the voice or technical difficulties. Another thing to share is, okay, is to, if I want to open a PDF file, no need sometimes to go from here and add. Not necessary. I can do it from my computer on my desktop after I share my screen from here. Okay, so far we covered all this area. Now here, I will start by press plus and upload the presentation. You will find this interface here. I will browse a file, and maybe I will go to document here, and for example this PowerPoint presentation, I will open it. Now, of course, to be uploaded, right? While it's uploading, maybe you can go for another one. Math practice, see? Now watch this. Not necessary one by one. You can prepare yourself. So here, look. I can upload more than one thing. Okay, this is a picture, for example. Okay, and this is another picture. See? Two files in the same time. I can upload PDF, PowerPoint template, and JPG picture. Now, can you see this tick? Now, whatever I will press, look, whatever I will press on it, that's the one will upload it, and everybody will see it. Okay, now of course it needs time because it's multi file. If it's one file, it will take just seconds, but now it will take more time to convert the file to be able to open it in the software. Almost finished. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, maybe it's a mistake to show, but no, I just want to show you how you can look. So this is my PowerPoint presentation. I just upload it, right? I can share my screen and go manually and pick this file from my folder, right? So slide 2 now. This is slide 2 in the PowerPoint presentation. Look, I'm presenting my PowerPoint presentation inside this software, right? Now, what else I can do? Remember these tools? Remember these tools? Yes. Now you can use them. And if you share it, they can do whatever you want, right? And so on. Okay? So when you go back again, it's there. If you undo, you will undo. If you clear, it will clear everything. Same as whatever. So let's say I want to explain this part. Okay, I will say, okay, guys, read this text before. Okay, see this formula? Yes, sir. So this is the one that it's supposed to be important because it's whatever. And see, this is the way if you want to. Of course, you can change the colors and say, okay, fine, guys. Students, as a students, you will do this and you will do that, and then see, you can explain it with the PowerPoint. Okay, finish from the PowerPoint present. I want to show another one. See, it's already there. How to be now PDF file. Click on this one. Now I take this one and then confirm. I will open already whatever there, right? So this is exercises, for example, past papers or exam. I want to share with them. I can zoom in and zoom out. Here I will click on the hand, move it up or down, then go back to the pencil and pick the red color and see, okay, guys, this angle here, this one is very important. This one is supposed to be like this, okay, and so on. Okay, guys, so this is how, if you want to edit or like move the PDF file. What else I can share? As I said, we can share a picture. So if I clicked on this picture, confirm. Now, of course, you can do everything separately, like a picture, but I did all of them in the same time. Now, I have a picture here, so still I can edit it when it's appeared. I think it's high resolution. That's why it's... Where is it? So for example, here, see, I can... So this is a picture, for example. I can take a picture of my notebook, right? And just put it for them and do whatever I want and explain. Any picture, JPG picture. So I have another picture here. I can click on it, confirm, and see the loading. It will appear. And I can edit it, draw anything I wanted. I can share how to edit it. I can type on it. About the text, when you want to type on a picture or PDF file or a PowerPoint presentation, I noticed that there is a certain places that I cannot type. So if it's empty whiteboard, I can. But if there is like here, sometimes I can. Okay. See, look, but certain places in the PDF file with graphs, I don't think that I can. So anyway, so this is a picture and I can edit a picture very well. Now, what else? I can share an external video. So for example, I will go to a YouTube channel and I will press this share button and I have this link. I will copy it, okay, and then I will go back and share here. Paste, share new video, and I will share this video. This video, for example, for me, and you can like forward, backward, pause it, explain it to it. You can share. You can see them watching this video. Now, maybe if this video is on YouTube, fine. You can just give them the link and give them a task to watch this video and come in the next day. But certain videos you cannot put it in public. You need a link for it to be able to for someone to see it, right? It's not public. So these kind of videos, copyrighted videos, only for you did it. You don't want anyone else to do it except your students. You can copy and paste the link, and only your students during the live session will be able to watch it. If they search it on YouTube, they will never find it. Why? Because it's not public, it's private or linked, right? So this is one of the ways why you can share a video. Okay, so how to get rid of this video? You can stop sharing external videos and you will go back to whatever it was. طيب. Now this is one of the input. Now we covered upload presentation. You can upload PDF, PowerPoint presentation, picture, a document, anything you want. Share external video from YouTube. For any external video, you can copy and paste the link. It will appear. What is this? Poll. Now this is very nice. So for example here, let me go and switch to math practice because I think this is the one I want to. Okay. Exactly. Now, let's say this is a question and I want to ask them this question. Okay, so I'll change to the hand. Look, so 5, for example, 5 plus 2. This is a question. I have the choices A, B, C, D, and E. Now, I will start a poll, and then what kind of questions I'm showing? Yes, the answers of the questions. Yes, no, true, false, A, B, A, B, C, multiple choice. Okay, so in this case, I have A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so I would press this. And now what will happen? I will ask them to solve question number 1. So they will do it, they will solve it, and they will send the answer. User's response from here. And then I will find the answers comes list one by one. The minute they finish, they cannot see their the other students' answer. They will not see anything. They will just see whatever in front of you now. So they will answer. They will click. They have a choice of one of these choices. They will solve the question on a notebook. Then they will click on the right answer. The right answer will appear in this area. Now, after it appears, after they all finish, I can publish the results and it will appear somewhere here. Okay, it will appear somewhere here. Where is it? See? Here. It will appear here. So now they can see like majority of students, they answered B, for example, and the correct answer it was C. They can see the percentage of students that that answered certain answer, right? And of course, depends on the question. Maybe it's not a multiple choice. Maybe it's true or false, yes or no. So the point is none of them can see any other student's answer. They will answer it, and only you will see all the choices by whom. So that's a cool feature, actually. So if I move on to the next question, I will start a poll again, and maybe this question have only 4 choices, or like 3 choices, or true or false kind of choices. I will press whatever, and for example, A, B, C, and D, and then I will ask them to answer. They will answer. I will see the results here, and then I can mark it directly. I will say, okay, the students who did it wrong are Ahmed, Muhammad, Ali, Sana, Maryam, and whatever. Okay, so that's a cool features actually. It's from here. You can hide it and show it. Okay, fine. Now, what else we can do? Now we covered this. Start a poll, upload presentation, share external video. Of course, this is if you want to mute your mic. This is if you want to leave the audio. You know, like this is if you want to share your webcam. This is if you want to share your screen. And these tools, I explained it. Now, before I go to this area, let me cover the last thing, which is this one. Now, I will show you. I will just tell you the difference between end meeting and log out. Now, the good thing, when you press on end meeting will kick all the users out. Will kick everybody out, and then you will be alone to do anything you want, to stop recording. Then you will log out. But if you log out, you are logging out from this session, but the students are still there. See the difference between end meeting and log out? Okay, of course, make full screen. You know what I'm like, full screen. Setting, not much in setting actually, but I think this one is useful, which is audio alert for user join. I think this is useful because while I'm explaining today, 2 students went like I didn't notice, and I was helping some of the students and talking, and then all of a sudden, new 2 students joined, and I didn't notice. Then I looked at, oh, hey, Lilian, welcome. Yeah, when did you come? But if I have this on, See, audio alerts for user join. Maybe I will hear some notification like ding or notification that somebody joined, right? But the pop-up alert for user join, that's I don't like, because I'm doing something, then suddenly a pop-up, like message will appear in my face in the front that a new user joined, or Ahmed joined, or Ali joined, or whatever. But the sound will be nice to for me to notice that somebody joined the session. That's a cool feature here. This one, of course, if someone send a chat, I can see. If no need for a pop-up or audio alert that if someone send like a WhatsApp, if someone send a message while you are opening the same page, you will find a sound. You can turn it on and off. It's up to you. Now this one is a cool feature here. If I clicked on data saving, now this one is very important. If I want to enable webcams for all the session, it's on. If you turn it off, none of the students can open their webcam, so you cannot see them. Now, as the rules of the ministry, for example, they said no students allowed to use their screen or their camera. Okay, fine. Even if they want to show themselves, you can force not to let them open their cameras from here. Even if they want to open the camera, they cannot. So enabled, it's off. This one, like on, they can. And enable desktop sharing. If you want to share your desktop, you can enable it from here, but leave this on. Only if you don't want anyone to turn his webcams on, you can control it from here. Okay, that's a cool feature. Now about the application, back again, this is the close here or save after you make changes. Now I finished this part. Now I finished this part, as I said. Okay, now let me go to that part. Now the public chat, this is the chat that you will type on it. Now a cool feature is the shared notes. Shared notes, it's just like Microsoft Word. This one is a very cool one. They can save it, they can see it, they can screen capture it. Okay, you can type the for example, like here you will say, for example, steps of using a live classroom, for example. Okay, and then you have one, do this, two. Okay, now after you finish, okay, whatever you want to write, after you finish, you think it will go on? No. Can you see this? Import, export from a different file format. If I click on this one, I will find HTML and plain text. Now watch this area here. If I press on plain text, see, a file will be downloaded. Now if I, Notepad, if you press on it, it will open by Notepad and they can save it. You can save your notes. Whatever you typed for them, you can save it. Okay, as a Notepad file, it's there, text. You can copy paste, you can open it by Microsoft Word or any Word document software. Okay, type what is HTML? If I press HTML, the Windows Explorer or the Google Chrome will open it. So it's an HTML file. Look, it's from the tabs. Look, can you see it? It's from the tab, you can see it. Not by using Notepad. No, you can open it from the Internet Explorer. So you have two options. They are amazing. Whatever you will type, it will not go waste. They will save it. They will have it. You can type anything you want and then save it to a text, and you can open it. You can upload it later. You can continue from where you stopped in the next lesson. This is a cool feature. This is shared notes, public chat. What else we have? We have the last thing to explain is the setting here. I can clear all status like icon. I can mute all the users, mute all users except me, except the presenter, myself. okay, and maybe enable one or two, whatever. Okay, I can save usernames, which whatever list of names I will have here, just like taking the attendance, including me. Whatever active students here, you can save them. Okay, now lock viewers. This one, very cool features. Now, if they are talking to each other and making a mess, for example, or whatever, what you will do, you will block them. Yani lock. You will do a lock for their mic, for example. So here, see others view webcam. Now they can see each others when they have their webcams on. So let's say I have 5 students, all of them, I can see them. I can see all of them in front of me. I can see 5 or 4 screens, the students, and one of the screens are myself. I can block them from seeing each other. So each student will see only me. They cannot see each other. They can see only me. I'm the only one who can see all of them in the same time. But each one of them will not see the other students. They will see only the presenter. Okay, now here if I want, it's shared already, shared webcam. Lock it, nobody will use any webcams. See other viewers cam, it's unlocked. Lock it, they will not see each other. See, share microphone, yeah, everybody can talk in the same time, including me. Lock it, they will, but they will not hear each other, and so on. You can go through this private chat message. When you click on individual user, there is a private message, chat message you can send. Go through these, try them. I think they are nice. Okay. Now, one of the things, create breakdown rooms. Now, these are, for example, let's say I have 15 students and I want to give 3 or 4 of them a quiz to do, and the other one I will continue to explain. I will have all the list of names here. I can just click, drag, and put them in one of the rooms. Now, maybe I need 3 rooms, 4, up to 8 rooms, no problem. So I will keep dragging the names, put them in separate room. Now after I finish, I will create, of course, because I don't have users now. But anyway, when I create, I will find the names here. Same as this. Okay? Same in this list. I will find room 1, room 2, and in each room, how many students. Now I can click on it, and automatically this will change, and I will be inside this specific room. They are the only one will hear me. Whatever I will add or show them, the only one will see whatever I will upload for in this room, or whoever in this room. Then when I click on the main room, I will leave this room and go back to the main room, having different things, and I will continue to explain while the room number 1 or room number 2, they are doing a quiz. And then the good thing about it, there is a time. There is a kind of time. Okay, so I will say, okay guys, you have 5 minutes to solve this. And after 5 minutes, the room will close and everybody will go back to the main room. See, this is one of the cool features that you can use it. Now, of course, closed captions. Now, if you want to use a different language to translate whatever you are saying, like subtitles, you can use it. Now, I think I covered most of how you can use like in every single details in this interface, in this software. But the only thing I didn't show you, when you have a list of names here, right, you can click on it and you will have a menu like this to mute this student or this user, to send a private message for them, to remove them. I can kick any user I want. I can click on the name and remove it. Okay, see, like mute user, you cannot, I don't want to mute myself, but you can click on the user, and then what I will do, you can remove them, and you can kick them actually from the chat room for any reason. Okay, so I think I covered most of it. Sorry if I forgot if I forgot anything. And after I finish, what you will do, you will end meeting, stop recording, and then log out. I think yeah, I'm not sure. Sorry, I apologize if I missed any of the important things. I think, yeah, Now, since I finished now, let me spend 2 minutes only to show you some skills that sometimes I do it. Now, this is the list of all the classes, for example. Let's say I want to upload the same. Okay, let me go here and let's log out. Thank you very much for. No, I don't want. I don't want to do. Sorry. Okay, so here, let's say this is my year 7 class, okay, and I'm in year 7 class and I want to upload a worksheet to all my classes, for example, to all my classes. How I can do it? In a very fast way. First of all, open one of the classes, year 7 core, for example, go here, turn editing on. Now after you turn editing on, now what you will do, as normal, you will add activity, and then you will go to 7C and add activity, and then you will go to 8A, 8C, 9A, 9C, doing the same thing. No, how about I will open this year 7 and click on my courses, and I will go right click on 10. If you know this already, no problem. خلاص, the video finished. Thank you very much. Good luck. If you don't know it, how about you use this? It will help. So open link in a new tab. Year 11, right click, core. Okay, year 12, I don't teach. 7, already there. Okay, 8 extended. This is my class. Open 9 core. See? Now, as you can see at the top here, let me arrange them. So I have 7, 8, and 9, 10, and 11. Look, I just clicked 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now I want to do the same thing to all of them. Now watch this now. See? All edited. I don't need to go again and press here edit. I don't need to. Okay, so I don't need to go to every single class and do the same thing. Now watch this. In your mouse there is like a scroll down button if you have. If you don't, you can just scroll down. Now what you will do, I will scroll down until I reach up to the red one. Click on the tab again, scroll down. Press on the tab again, scroll down. Look how fast you can do it. Okay, now click here. Press the tab, click here, press the tab, click here, press the tab, click here, press the tab, click here. See? Now, what do you want to upload? I want to upload a folder, or I want to upload a file. So scroll down, press file, add. Then don't wait, click on year 8. Scroll down, file, add, go to year 9, scroll down, file, add, year 10. See how fast I do it? Now if you want, of course, when you get used to it, it will be way faster. File. Okay? Now you can go back. Look, this is the name of the file. You go down, then of course I can, if they have the same name, any name you want, copy, highlight, double click on it, then Control C, which is copy, or right click, copy. Okay, then scroll down. Keep this in front of you. Okay, because I'm explaining, it will be slow. Look, Control V. Look. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to my folder here, and I will pick which one I want to upload. Here, look. Now, put your left thumb on the Alt and the finger on the tab. So when I drag, let's say, this file here, I want to drag it. Look, I dragged it. Now, Alt tab, this will come back again, right? So if I press this, Alt tab, this will back again. Look, press this, this will come back. Look, finish. Save, click, save, click, save, click, save, click, save, finish. Now when I press 7 core, 8 extended, 9 core, 10, 11, it's already there. It's already there. That's it. You can see it's already there. It's already there. Look, I just upload one worksheet or one folder or one PowerPoint presentation to all my classes. It took me long because I'm explaining. But when you do it and get used to it, I think it will be very fast. You can close all the tabs except one, and then go here and turn editing off, and that's it. This is how you can upload one file to all your classes in the same time with a rhythm instead of going one at a time. If you have a different file for a different class, this is not helpful for you. Anyway, hope this video will be helpful in many cases. If you have any question, please write in the comments or text me. And I hope for all of you the best. I know it took me a while until I do it, but I was really trying to prepare everything. Good luck. Thank you very much, and see you later.